Hi guys, today I want to show you how to reset your OBS Studio for two reasons, or actually three reasons. One is OBS Studio does not open at all, so when you click on it, it's got an unexpected error and doesn't open at all. And the other two reasons would be it opens and it lags, or your settings don't show up, and the third one would be your camera settings don't work. So basically what you have to do is delete all your settings files, and remember that if you do delete them, all your previously stored settings would be deleted and it would be like a fresh download. So I would suggest that you back them up if you really need them. But one option would be, first option actually would be to go to File, Settings folder, and go ahead and delete all these files and all your settings will be deleted and it'll be like a fresh download of OBS Studio. The second option would be, actually this is the only option that you would have if it doesn't open at all. So you go to Go setting. Let's say the OBS has never opened. So you go to go to Folder, type in this pathway to the library. I'm going to put these details down in the description as well. So I hope you guys subscribe and like, and I'm going to have a few more videos where I'm going to show you how to change theme from the dark theme to the white, how to make sure your screen remains in the center, because a lot of people have had this issue, myself included, where the windows only show top left and it's not centered. And I'm also going to show you how to make multiple scenes and how to switch between the scenes. So it might be good to subscribe and show some support as well. So let's go to Go. I'm going to go to Application Support and then go down to OBS Studio and delete all these files. And the main reason that I feel that this hangs or doesn't open at all is when I try and click on OBS setting, I notice that the camera tries to come on by itself, and then I think there are multiple errors that come in. So what I usually try and do nowadays is I go ahead and delete these settings right here before I close the application. I think that's helped me and I've never had that issue again. So you can either delete the entire scene from here and click on minus and then go ahead and delete. All right, guys. Thank you.